Hello everyone on YouTube. Thank you so much for joining the Stock Martin channel. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all. Also give me a thumbs up. It'll share this with others and it'll put a big smile on my face. I really appreciate that. We're going to talk about NIO today and some important information and catalysts that will make its stock explode. I really think that you're going to like this video, so let's check it out. I would like to talk to you about NIO and its new entry into the European market, specifically into the German market, and it's going to be coming out with an affordable electric vehicle. This says that NIO is throwing down the gauntlet for Tesla and charting a new path to sustainable profits. NIO is one of the largest manufacturers of electric vehicles in China, and it's looking to extend itself over into the European market. And on Friday, it had a big catalyst that came, and it was awarded and approved to sell the NIO ES8 in the European Union countries. This is great news for NIO just because it can extend itself and not just be a Chinese-based company, it can be a global company. So it's on the foothills of Tesla, and it looks like it will be a battle. NIO has put itself in a great spot to have profitability in its favor. If we look at this, it says readers would remember that NIO entered in the European Union via Norway back in May, and just this past Friday they have received approval to sell their vehicle and to get it licensed, to have a license plate. And as we can see, this is just the beginning. There's multiple sources that just came out that are suggesting that NIO is trying to push its way into Germany next year in 2022. And this is going to be very big and extremely important just because the German market has all the electric luxury vehicles out there right now, and their EV portion of this is dominated by Tesla. So this will be a big push for another EV maker such as NIO to get into this profit margin. NIO is a great company, and it does center around its customers. It does have a lot of innovative technology such as the battery as a service technology. It does have the battery swap 2.0 battery stations where it can switch out a fresh battery for under 3 minutes. It's incredibly fast and it's extremely user-friendly. It's also been reported that NIO is not just relying on its current market capture in China and that it's expanding out, but it's expanding out even to target some of the sub-brand and cheaper vehicles. They're trying to come out with a $31,000 EV vehicle for the mass majority and to be a direct challenge to the Tesla Model 3 in this price range. This article goes on to say that while details remain murky at this stage, including the financial structure of this sub-brand vehicle, the launch of the new affordable EV can play a crucial role in stirring sustainable profits for NIO. Recently, the EV market has been taken over by Tesla, specifically the Tesla Model 3, which last year almost delivered 500,000 units of this vehicle. So there's definitely great demand for a cheaper EV vehicle out there, and NIO is looking at Tesla at its crosshairs to get a capture of this sales volume. This article represents that for content, NIO has a recorded of a net loss of $68 million in Q1, Q1 of this year. But if we were to factor a new EV model at these lower prices, it would transform its quarterly loss into a profit of over $77 million, just because of all the units that are being produced, which is extremely big news for NIO as a company and its stock investors. Now let's transition into the stock and see how NIO has been performing. In the past month, it's had an incredible run. It's been up 46% in just the past month alone. If we can see, its low on May 13th was $31.22, and it just ended this past Friday at $45.68, which gives us a 46% profit or an increase in this stock. If we go back 6 months, you see that NIO has been at over $60, but on February 9th, we've had the big EV crash, and also the technology market was really hit hard and it sent this stock plumbing down more than 40%, about 44%. But since then, we've had a really nice run up in its stock, and I believe it's beginning to hit a new bull market for this stock and a lot of the other EV car makers, especially that the chip shortage is going down and all this wonderful news about NIO going globally, which is a big catalyst for this stock. I did want to talk about some analysts and their price predictions. According to TipRanks, 8 analysts reviewed NIO, and all 8 gave it a strong buy, 0 gave it a hold, and 0 sell. From this point, it's about a 35.5% upside to hit at $62, and some analysts at its high say that NIO should reach about $80. I actually believe that NIO at the end of this year will hit anywhere from $80 to $100, especially because this new information about NIO going to the European Union has not been factored in these price predictions. I also wanted to bring up this price prediction, which shows the next 10 years of NIO's price prediction. This analyst at the end of this year gives NIO a trading value of close to $75, which is a 64% upside. Next year, they're projecting that this stock will be $89, or about 95% upside. If we look at the year 2025, we're looking almost at about 300% upside. The stock, according to this analyst, will be $181 per stock. Going out 10 years in the year 2032, this stock should hit about $290, or 535% increase in your money. These are incredible gains, guys, and I think now we've been able to buy NIO at its very beginning, and it has a lot of catalysts, and it's a brand new company that will still come out. I think NIO is a great company, and if you're getting in at this time, you're getting it in a really good time. It is just starting to take off. It's having a lot of catalysts behind it and a lot of tailwinds that will push this stock up. Don't forget that NIO is just not an electric car maker. They also focus on their customer service. They have battery as a service, as a subscription, where you can pay a monthly fee of about $105 US, and you can switch out your battery unlimited during that month. So for example, if you're in a congested area and you don't have a chance to charge your vehicle, you can go to these swap stations, switch out your battery for a brand fresh battery in under 3 minutes. It's an incredible and innovative technology that NIO has. Also, a big factor that I think that NIO is really important on is that you can upgrade your battery at any time. So let's say I purchase a NIO vehicle, let's say I purchase the ES8, and I decide to buy the 75 kilowatt battery just to save on the cost of the money of the vehicle because it's a cheaper battery. Well, let's say 2 years down the road, I take longer trips and I want a longer range. I can always switch out that battery from a 75 kilowatt battery to a 100 kilowatt battery, and I don't even have to trade vehicles. I don't have to sell that vehicle, and I can always upgrade the battery at any time. This is exclusive to NIO, and I think it's a big selling point for NIO itself. And I think it's going to be really big and really impactful in all of the global market once people start seeing this. I think that the share of NIO at the end of this year should be trading about $80. I would definitely think it would be closer to $100, but we'll definitely have to see if the chip shortages are fizzled out by then. If we see that the production of these vehicles have increased, we'll definitely see that increase in stock price as well. Now, moving forward as of 2022, I think the stock prices are going to be quite higher. The reason why is because NIO is coming out with a new luxury sedan called the ET7. This is an amazing first autonomous vehicle that it will have to compete against Tesla Model S. And not only that, NIO will have its Chinese-based EV manufacturer, JAG, that produces their vehicles, will be making double the vehicles that they're making now. And they're going to be planning on producing 20,000 vehicles per month. which is an incredible feat for NIO. And this is important because it has to have that ability to give all those vehicles to the European market now that it has, and also its Chinese company. But NIO is a great company, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And before you do buy any stock, please do your own due diligence before you buy any stock. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give me that thumbs up so this video can be shared with others. Also, if you're new to the video and to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit all so you can get all my videos. Also, please, I ask that you share this with your family, your neighbors, and your friends so we can get this channel picked up and to get more viewers. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. If you would like to help out the channel, please use the links down below. If you select the Webull link, deposit $100, you get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. Using the Coinbase link, if you deposit $100, you get $10 of cryptocurrency in trading. Thank you so much for your support.